yen dachi ye fie call IAS net and yen contribution be honoma up to now won't try. Eba sa na interest was here nya was krano. Yan papa no wo fie ni ye be fie dachi yen santimi encasis kano. E pa se asra ban say.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana Stem TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ghana railway workers. Ghana railway workers. People who work on the trains and stuff. No? They are threatening to go on strike. And they are not just threatening to go on strike because they know, say, some will strike, it will not affect anybody. How many of us speak trains? So they know very well, if they go on strike alone, it is not going to matter much. So the other thing they are threatening about is that they say UMAT, I think UMAT has some school B that trains engineers and I think so. They say that very school of UMAT, railway workers almost sicker. Ena ye diako muntina ta school ho. And it's on beko striker, they will also go and close down that school. Because they know that once they say that one day, it will get the attention of the government. And we hope, say, with this one day, they have gotten the attention of the government. But you see, it serves them right. The railway sector under John Mahama, NDC, almost 8 years, 2009 to 2017, was in a mess. Basa, nothing to write home about. Akufo-Addo came and intentionally decided to revive the railway network of Ghana. Akufo-Addo did that. Railway Authority, Railway Ministry, the Tema, Tumpakadan Railway, all constructed in the 8 years of Akufo-Addo. For the first time, we've seen a railway cross over the Volta River.
Ya mse na yempe mfo aka na wa man up to 30 years. 30 years ni anyaduma. Me ka amanesi pise training school ya UMAT for you no. Yan railway for ya dia. Sa school no ye betum training school no UMAT ye base ka UMAT pe fu say. Sa training school no yan dia. And it's aban antimi ameka bia ntra training school no after 30 years no training school ye betum. Apart from that, send ya can Accra train bi aniwa ebe ya adwuma. Enye se enye adwuma nkwane atuma da. Ye base ya magana ngu say every be na railway ekoso no na yen na ye adwuma ye bi tua police for fire service for car ena se ye ho atire na sa ban obeyi ni ama ye be se kira ban se ene onna na ye so ya de bi enya de aban bada ama ye so de bi esan se eye din wo Ghana mamu se wo tia 7 to 8 good month na ye ntua ukai ye ni abiri ye pa ye yiri ni mu ejeja ye ade ba kwa hunya ye ena mema ya dane ma e wo fie mumra na mu maboa ye na mu mahwe ye yes apa ene ye di kan no training school ye batum UMAT e first message training school ye batum ye ndia
oh you know they bet na hona 7 months won tua wo kaw na so ya bi ne tara so aka na railway na ya ko strike mpa abadi na ban be yesi ya wa nipa kuno ka wo de 960 it is how na ye be fia o ma no unemployment rate no oba then aha no banda la so oba then oba unpopular because one band na coffee na 960 ya be fie nti ye be sra ban ye be sra ya ne sare na wale sran da ya pa ne cho on to he na call number na mabwa ke trace osisi ha dey so oye duma ka Ghana koni na wa bato one takwa kona wa ye na nsan ya wo kwa sha trucks akase no wa ya kwa no abi atio ni wa ko botu ma atwa de no iti tani na asisi ho na takwa kona wa ye no wa say na ahanta wa sa kwani timi ye ya na so ka che na ye ko strike on cover na ye ba ka che no ba kana pa
people have come in our open over the judgment way every see our problem we face na rolling stocks pan didn't man then crane ya between say you training to form you use to what to form since ananka say no the form in the railways in widen we go totally we go Nti say investors no abena speed up na investors number even 7 months salary na working so chopo me na obe nature obe na me
The water leak. For the first time in the history of this country, they ordered for some trains to come down. The trains came. They are supposed to start work, and some Penny decided to go and use the railway as a road. Left his car there, did not alert anybody for the trains to go and bump into the car. If not that, those trains will have been working right now. The Teman-Pakadan network, railway network, will have been working by now. But you people still believe, say, NDC, under whom the first one collapsed, will be the best to come and revive this one. Any money. Now you know, because you know if you go on strike, no one will mind you. So I say you're going to close down the school. I pray that when you go there to go and close down the school, the student they will beat you up. When the students beat you up next time, best answer. Best answer. Because I don't know, we pump ourselves too much.
In just two.
Yo, me that cry all of it is always awesome hearing from them. Akobe ole bi amen ko se ole ocho we susu de fia. Ma globe 4 months ke as me ble earlier on be fear it was the horror movie season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4. Season 1 ke
Season 1, 2 and 3.
Ta ke le yala gbedodura mi ato gbera. Mistake yala mi wa mistake ya huhu. Mistake yala mi we huhu ki ne mi wa understand the crachela 4 years. And this is all of 4 years allow agbe egbe dodora kunye be enye me dogbera be ma oni le media asime ne mi na agbe be do mega wa wu mi apa o ele be ne mi jo le Egypt ko yere Israel afi eto so video na Moses ni hand over na Joshua aka strangely some way somehow o ga wa blame ga talk from Egypt abi fear ko fike mi ga le fear
Me got
trouble Egypt lo Pharaoh te
Ekadeji.
Pharaoh ya no zo mo me che na mere ko le Pharaoh yen oga patapata la file me chi na mere ko agble mi daran fiki mi le die to mele mi asiu eno mele mi asiu
Papa no de.
na mi fa bichela o be mega fa view voilà to me fu na mi lo akobe mega fa view mi no nuku le to me fu mi no nuku sigbo na boko to bisa pele any storage na mi eke o be mi amere o ya we mi pipito ya mega yin gana to o mega le me he ajoga fifi otala mega fu nu jai kun be constitutional right
Man,
speaking because mega fu nu
you should speak to the truth.
na gana ke me nku mo gana ekure me roll scratch gana
Hey,
eku
you people now believe in increment.
me roll scratch gana eku me ajekum kufuo akufuo ado o be gana eku ake mi adugbera ele mausi bibla bede efia ope jila ele Yesu aloma wasi me ya ton fun nawe tama oni fun na John Mahamadi tan ye me do ro bele recording me kuna we eso no 15 seconds ma wu ya fun na John Mahamadi excellency be ne trasle no na mi egbe ya ga na mi 1 hour light de ni ton ko wa sure mi agbe dura be emi da pene ta e chori ni ga mi de kukune lo ton we egbe ko American ka si switch ehun emi ga ton wa show le fi je apera be si ami.
Thank you so very much.